Homemade remedies for oral thrush. Oral thrush, also known as oropharyngeal candidiasis, is a type of yeast infection that develops inside your mouth and on your tongue. A small amount of the Candida albicans fungus is normally present in the mouth. Oral thrush occurs when your immune system can't maintain its natural defense against this fungus and it grows out of the control. The infection leads to slightly raised creamy white lesions, usually on the tongue and the inner cheeks. If it's not controlled timely, it may spread to the roof of your mouth, gums, tonsils, or the back of your throat. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Also subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more updates. Number 1 is salt. Salt is the best remedy to treat the oral thrush. It creates an inhospitable environment for the fungus. In addition, salt helps to relieve the symptoms quickly. Mix half to 1 teaspoon of the salt in 1 cup of the warm water. Use it to gargle throughout it and spit it out repeatedly a few times daily until you're satisfied with the result. Number 2 is yogurt. Probiotic yogurt contains live or active cultures of the lactobacilli species that can help to treat the thrush. It also improves the digestion for treating yeast infection. Only use plain unsweetened yogurt. Eat 2 to 3 cups of yogurt daily for a few weeks. Also rub some yogurt on your tongue and inside your mouth with your fingers. Allow it to sit for 5 to 10 minutes, then rinse your mouth thoroughly with warm water. Do this once or twice a day for a few days. Number 3 is coconut oil. Coconut oil is also a good remedy to fight an oral infection. It helps to eliminate the yeast and reduce the discomfort associated with thrush. In a 2007 study published in the Journal of Medicinal Foods, researchers found coconut oil to be active against different species of the Candida. Directly apply extra virgin coconut oil on the inner mouth area and tongue using a cotton swab. Do this few times daily for a few weeks. Number 4 is apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar contains enzymes that can control the Candida infection. It also restores the body's pH level to fight the overgrowth of the infection-causing yeast. In addition, it boosts the immune system and gives you a strong defense against the Candida. According to a 2014 study published in the Journal of Probiotics, apple cider vinegar showed antifungal properties against the Candida species. Mix 2 teaspoons of the raw unfiltered apple cider vinegar and half teaspoon of the salt in the cup of warm water. Use this solution to rinse your mouth several times a day until you notice improvement. Number 5 is tea tree oil. Tea tree oil works effectively to treat the oral thrush. Its powerful antifungal properties help to control the growth of yeast and provide the quick recovery. In a 2004 study published in the Journal of Antimicrobial Chemotherapy, researchers found the antifungal effect of the tea oil and its component on the Candida albicans to be highly effective. Add 4 to 5 drops of tea tree oil to a 1 cup of warm water. Use this solution to gargle for a couple of minutes.